System of linear equations. Solution of system of linear equations. So, in this first method is matrix inversion method. Matrix inversion method. And we take the matrix form. Can be written. So here the linear equations are in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal d3. These are linear equations. Okay. So these are the linear equations. So for these linear equations, you can write the matrix form. Matrix form of these equations is like this. So here x, y, z. First equation x, y, z coefficients are taken as first row of matrix a1, b1, c1. Second equation coefficients of x, y, z taken as second row a2, b2, c2. Next third equation coefficients x, y, z are taken as third row a3, b3, c3. Okay, into x, y, z matrix equal right side constant taken as matrix B, that is d1, d2, d3. d1, d2, d3. So this is the same as the form. This matrix is capital A. This is capital X equal this matrix is capital B. So this is as is X is equal to B. In the matrix inversion method, we can find solution of the equations. These solution of these linear equations we can find. That is capital X elements. Okay, like elements of capital X we can find. Okay. So for that, the formula of matrix inversion method we derive. So that is, first of all, we can apply A inverse on both sides of these equations. A inverse is multiplied to these equations. A inverse into AX equal A inverse into B. Okay. So now this is A inverse into A into X equal A inverse into B. By inversion law we take capital I. Capital I means identity matrix. That is this one. Capital I. Inversion law nunchi. So this is an identity matrix. Matrix. Okay na. So A inverse A is taken as capital I into X is equal A inverse B. Next again I into X can be taken as by identity law, that is same as equal to X. Okay. So in the place of Ix we take X. X equal to A inverse B. This is the formula. Okay. Matrix inversion method formula is X equal A inverse and B. X equal A inversion B is the matrix inversion method formula. By using this formula, we can find the values of X, Y, Z of matrix capital X. Capital X matrix is what? X, Y, Z matrix. Okay. So now we can find that values X, Y, Z.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me.
Join అయితురంట మ్యామ్, యాడ్ చేయండి.
is there. Okay, already joined. This is the formula. Okay, capital X is nothing but X, Y, Z. Capital X is equal X, Y, Z. These constant values are we can find by using A inverse B. A inverse B means A inverse we can find separately. A inverse formula it was. What is the A inverse formula? A inversion formula is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Okay, we can find by using this formula inverse and that A inverse and B both are multiplied now. Then we get X, Y, Z values. Okay, so in this method we can find the X, Y, Z values. This is matrix inversion method. Okay, now we can tell the problems. First problem. Solve the equations. X plus Y plus Z is equal to 6. X minus Y plus Z is equal to, and the other one is 2x plus Y minus Z is equal 1. 2x plus Y minus Z equal minus 1. By using matrix inversion method. By using compulsory adutadu. Which method we can find? Okay. So this is matrix inversion method. By using matrix inversion method. Solution. Let the given equations are first one x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Second one x minus y plus z is equal to 2. Third one 2x plus y minus z is equal to minus 1. So these are the three equations. Now we can written here the matrix form of these equations. The matrix form of system of equations, system of linear equations is, first we can write A matrix. So the coefficient of x 1, the coefficient of y 1, the coefficient of z 1. Okay, first row is over. From the first equation we can take the first row. Okay, next second row. So 1, coefficient of y minus 1, 1 and second row over. Next third row. So coefficient of x is 2, the coefficient of y 1, the coefficient of z equal minus 1. A matrix over. Next X matrix. X matrix is x, y, z. That equal constant matrix B. So here the constant is 2 minus 1. So this is same as AX equal B.
Madam, one line is madam.
AX equal B. One. So coefficient taken as by equation, first equation ki first row, second equation coefficients taken as second row, third equation coefficients are taken as third row. Okay. So this is A matrix, this is X matrix, and this one is B matrix. This is X is equal to B form. Now we can find capital X by using the formula, inversion formula. What is the inversion formula? X equal A inverse B. Okay. By using this formula, we can find X values. Okay, capital X values we can find. Now for that we can find A inverse. A inverse means inverse of A. A inverse formula. What is the formula inverse of A? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A.
Adjoint A.
Okay. Now we can find adjoint A. For that, first of all, we can find cofactor matrix elements. Cofactor matrix elements. ఎందుకంటే adjoint A equal. So matrix form what? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. For that we find cofactor elements. Okay. So now we find the cofactor elements. The cofactor elements of A are first one element A11 is equal to 1. Okay. A11 is equal to 1. So for that cofactor element capital A11 formula -1 whole to the power of I plus j. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. Okay. -1 whole to the power of I plus j. That means 1 plus 1
Ma'am,
into
blur ఉంది ma'am.
blurrer.
ఫుల్ అవుతుంది మేడం.
వర్డ్ క్లియర్ లేదు మ్యామ్.
Okay. Formula is -1 whole to the power of I plus j into capital M11. Capital M11 means minor value of A11. Minor value of A11. How? ఎలా తీసుకుంటాం? By removing first row and first column, we take the determinants of this element. That is determinant -1, 1. By removing this row and this column.
ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్ పెట్టండి.
రిమూవ్ చేస్తాం కదా. సో ఫస్ట్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ రిమూవ్ చేసిన తర్వాతకి వచ్చినటువంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ తో డిటర్మినెంట్ ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే. సో you are removing this row and this column, then after that the remainder is -1, 1, 1, -1. So this value is equal -1 whole square, get positive 1 and AD minus BC. So A is equal -1, B is G is equal -1. -1 into -1 plus 1 minus BC. 1 into
1.
So 1 minus 1 taken 0. 0 into 7 0. Okay?
0.
First element is equal to 0. Next we can find A12. Capital A12 we can find. A12 equal to we have 1. So 1 ki manam ippudu cofactor element find out chestunnam. That is -1 whole to the power by using the formula. So 1 plus 2 and take the determinant. So here we are removing first row and second column. Now first row second column we have removed. Okay. So this row and this column remaining elements are determinant 1, 1, 2 minus 1. Okay. -1 whole power 3. Take it as -1. And this value 1 into -1 -1 -1 into 2 2. So we got it. So ఇక్కడ ఏమండి -1 into ఇక్కడ -1 -2 -3 -3 into -1 plus 3. So that value is equal 3. So next we can find A13, capital A13 we can find. So A13 is equal 1. So capital A13 to the power of 1 plus 3. Take the determinant. So here removing first row and third column. So determinant values are 1 minus 1, 2, 1. So minus 1 whole power 4 taken positive 1. Here 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Okay. So 1 minus of minus plus 1 plus 2, 3. 3 into 1, 3. A1 3 is equal 3. Next we can find capital A1 4. Here the capital A1 for 1. So capital A1 4 is equal minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 4. Take the determinant. Removing the second row and first column. Remaining determinant values are 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Next minus 1 whole power 5. That is taken minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 5 equal minus 1. Next this value. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, 1. So that equal minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Next, A15 equal here A15 A21 kada idi A21 next A22 2 plus 1 okay A22 equal minus 1. That implies capital A22 equal minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 2. Determinant. Removing second row and second column. So remaining elements are taken as determinant values 1, 1, 2, minus 1. So minus 1 whole power 4 taken to positive 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, 2. So we get minus 3 into 1, minus 3. So like that all values are we can find. Next A23. A23 equal ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మనకు 1 ఉంది. Capital A23 value minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 3 and determinant values we can take A23 kada 1 1 2 1. Okay, 1 1 2 1 A23 యొక్క determinant M23. So here minus 1 whole power 5 అంటే minus 1 అవుతుంది and next this value 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 2 2. So we get minus 1 minus 2 అంటే minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Next value A31 A31 వచ్చేసి 2 ఉంది. Capital A31 is equal minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 1. Determinant value వచ్చేసి 1 1 minus 1 1. Okay, so పైన మీకు తెలుసు determinants ఏ విధంగా తీసుకుంటాము అనేది. Okay, so next this value equal minus 1 whole power 4 అంటే positive 1. 1 into 1 1 minus of minus 1. That equal 1 minus 1 and plus 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 into 1 2. That value is taken as 2. Next. Matrix వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ ఇది ఉంది 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 1. సో ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కనిపించట్లేదు కదా పైన ప్రతిసారి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏంటి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది? A32 equal
1.
1 ఉంది. Capital A32 equal minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 2. Take the determinant. Here removing this third row and second column. Remaining elements are 1, 1, 1, 1. Take the determinants 1, 1, 1, 1. So for that we take minus 1 whole power 5. Taken here minus 1 into determinant 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 into 1, 1. So 1 minus 1, 0 into something 0. Overall we get 0. Next element A33. A33 value is equal to minus 1. So we find capital A33 minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 3 and determinant values are, so by removing third row and third column we get 1, 1 minus 1. Okay. So ikkada 1 1 paina undi, kinda 1 minus 1 undi. Okay. So we take next this value is minus 1 whole power 6 taken as positive 1 and this value 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1 1. Okay. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. That value is equal minus 2. All values are, we got it. So next, these values are substituted in adjoint A. Adjoint A matrix form is capital A11, capital A12, capital A13. Next, capital A1, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. That equal. So all values are, we are substituting. First A11 is equal to వచ్చేసి 0 ఉంది. A12 value is 3. Next value is A13, 3. Next A21 equal to A22 equal minus 3. A23 equal to 1. A31 is equal to. A32 is equal 0. A33 is equal to minus 2. Okay. This is adjoint A. Now we can find determinant A value. ఓకే సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేసాం మనం ఇక్కడ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఫార్మ్ తీసుకున్నాం లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ టు ఫస్ట్ రో second equation coefficient of x y z taken as second row elements and third equation coefficients are taken as third row that a matrix into x y z are taken as one matrix x y z is equal and constants RHS are taken as the matrix 6 2 minus 1. Okay, this is the form ax is equal to b. Okay, so next here we find the x values. X matrix we can find, that is x y z we can find that. So for that we use the formula capital X is equal to A inverse B. So A inverse B we can find out, for that we can use the formula 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So we find adjoint A. Adjoint A. So cofactor elements all are with. We want cofactor elements కాబట్టి మనకి ఏం చేసాం cofactor elements of A అనేది find out చేస్తున్నాము. So by using cofactor elements formula -1 whole to the power of I plus j into capital M11. According to that formula we can find all the elements of A. A యొక్క cofactor elements అన్ని కూడా find out చేసేసాము by using the formula. So all elements are, we can find cofactor elements all are substituted in adjoint A. Adjoint A matrix is this one. Adjoint A is equal to A11 A12 A13 and A12 A22 A23 A31 A32 A33. So all values are substituted, that is cofactor matrix. Okay, so now we can find determinant A. So determinant A equal formula A11 into capital A11 plus A12 into capital A12 plus A13 into capital A13 by expansion of first row. Okay, expansion of first row, the formula is A11 into capital A11 plus A12 into capital A12 plus A13 into capital A13. Now we substituted the values. A11 value is, so already మనము ఇక్కడ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి సబ్ చేసేసాం కదా, నేను డైరెక్ట్ గా వేస్తున్నాను. A11 ప్లస్ లో 1 ఉంది, క్యాపిటల్ A11 వచ్చేసి 0 వచ్చేసింది. నెక్స్ట్ A12 ఈక్వల్ టు 1, క్యాపిటల్ A12 వాల్యూ 3, A13 equal to 1, capital A13 equal 3. సో ఆల్ వాల్యూస్ అనేవి మనకు ఉన్న దాని ప్రకారం తీసేసుకున్నాను. సో నెక్స్ట్ డిటర్మినెంట్ A అనేది చూస్తున్నాను, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 రావాలి. దెన్ A inverse is exists. Okay, so now 1 into 0 0, 1 into 3 3, 1 into 3 3, so total we get 6. 6 is not equal 0 na, so determinant A is not equal to 0. A inverse is exists. A inverse is exists. So now A inverse value we can find. A inverse formula 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Okay, substituted 1 by determinant place of 6 and adjoint A. Already we got it now. So for the value is 0 3 3 2 minus 3 1 2 0 minus 2. So adjoint A matrix ఇందాక ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం కదా, as is that తీసుకొచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసేసాం. ఇది 0 3 3 2 minus 3, this one adjoint A. Okay, adjoint A ప్లేస్ లో మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసేసాను. సో డిటర్మినెంట్ A వాల్యూస్ అన్ని కూడా ఇక్కడ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసినాం కదా, డిటర్మినెంట్ A 6 వచ్చేసింది. ఆల్ ఆర్ we can substitute. Next we can find A inverse. A inverse is this one. After that the formula, we use the formula, matrix inversion formula is x equal capital X equal A inverse B na. So now we find A inverse is here 1 by 6 into 0 2 2 3 minus 3 0 3 1 minus 2. Next B matrix అంటే RHS set constant values అని చెప్పాను కదా ఇందాక. So that matrix is 6 to 1. Okay, this is B matrix. Next multiply these two matrices. X equal 1 by 6 into multiplication. So here the first row elements correspondingly multiplied with the column of second matrix. So here 0 multiplied with the column first element is 0 into 6. Okay, plus next 2 into 2 plus next 2 into 1. ఇలా చేయాలి. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా? సో ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ రో ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్, ఫస్ట్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ ప్లస్ సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ రో అండ్ సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ కాలమ్ second as second. Next third element into here the column first third element into 1, so 2 into 1, so like that we take. So next is here second row elements are multiplied with the column elements. Here first element 3 into 6 plus next here minus 3 into second element 2. Okay, minus 3 into 2 plus next 0 into 1. Okay, next 3 into 6 second elements 1 into 2 plus next minus 2 into 1. Okay, all elements matrix multiplication complete chesesam. Now this value is equal 1 by 6 into here 0 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, next 3 6 18 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 0 into 1 0, next 3 into 6 18 plus 1 into 2 2 plus into minus minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Okay, so next simplification, capital X equal 1 by 6 into 0 into 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 6 na, we take 6, 18 minus 6 12. Next 18 here 2 minus 2 get cancelled, we got it 18. Okay, So now 1/6. This 1/6 is multiplied to in the
1,
sign. 6/6 here, 12/6 here,
2,
18.
3,
Okay, 6/6 and 1.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3. We got it. X values are 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is x equals 1. Capital X అంటే మనకు వచ్చేసింది ఏంటి 1, 2, 3. సో capital X is nothing but ఏంటి మనం తీసుకున్నది x y z అవునా x y z ఇలా కన్సిడర్ చేసాం capital X ప్లేస్ లో ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అన్నట్టు ఓకే సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు మనకి ఎంత వచ్చేసింది 1, 2, 3 వచ్చేసింది కంపేరింగ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ సో x equal to 1 y is equal to 2 therefore x equal 1 y is equal to 2 z is equal to 3 is the solution of linear equations is the solution of given linear equations. Given system of linear equations. అదొకటి మొత్తం కూడా సిస్టమ్ లాగా తీసుకున్నాం సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఓకే we can do the problems like this okay first of all x is equal to a inverse b formula తీసుకొని after that we find a inverse లో మనకు adjoint a కావాలి determinant a కావాలి so both are we can find a inverse ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన తర్వాతకి ఆ a ఇన్వర్స్ ను అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి b రెండు కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేసాం a ఇన్వర్స్ వచ్చేసి this one and b matrix is this one so both are multiplied after that we get it the matrix 1 2 3 so matrix multiplication తెలుసు కదా so matrix multiplication చేసి సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేస్తే మనకు లాస్ట్ matrix 1 2 3 వచ్చేసింది so that capital X is nothing but x y z so that is equal 1 2 3 kabatti x is equal to 1 y is equal to 2 z is equal to 3 these are the